Congratulations on being the first in your family to head to college. As a first-generation student, navigating the college campus can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll share tips on how to make the most of what's available to you. First, college is not just about attending classes, so get to know the St. Mary's campus beyond the classrooms. Explore the library to find quiet study spaces. Check out the Student Center to grab a coffee or a quick bite. Watch for open houses, activity fairs, tours, and other chances to learn what the college has to offer. By getting to know the campus, it'll no longer be intimidating. You'll be an expert before you know it. St. Mary's offers lots of resources to support your academic and personal growth. Tap into them. Seek out the Writing and Tutoring Center for study tips. Use the Career Crossings office for internships. Take a yoga class at Angela. These resources and many more are for you, so make sure to take full advantage of them. By the way, SMC staffers are awesome and always friendly. Finally, don't forget to foster meaningful connections. Attend campus events, career fairs, alumni gatherings. You'll never know who you'll meet. A good place to start is to introduce yourself to your professors. Building these connections can open doors and create lifelong friendships. By utilizing spaces, resources, and connections, you will enhance your college experience and create a strong foundation for your future. Welcome to St. Mary's, and go Bells!